So today we're going to be fixing some cracks that came out across here where there used to be some walls. To do so, we already laid out all the 3 feet wide fiber fuse over here and here, covered everything. Lucas is going to start mixing up some sheetrock 45 and we'll tape up all of this stuff so it never comes back. Oh yeah, so we got the 45 mixed up. Got our helper over here. We're going to be using this roller. This is a 30 mil Sherwin-Williams roller and a 32 inches skimming blade from level 5. We'll show you in a second how to do it. So when rolling, you want to put it on relatively thick so the fiber fuse will have something to gel to. Yep. So here's how I do it. Lucas, look. You put on here. Now, give me a roller. No, no mud, no mud. Okay.
Oh.
You take the roller. Yeah. We have rod up here. The nice thing with fiber fuse, you can cut it. So you can use the roller, push in, take the small yellow knife and cut these parts. So now Lucas put the fiber fuse on, keep rolling, he's gonna roll it into place. Nice and easy, use some force. And after that, we'll let it dry and then we'll start skim coating. Okay, so now we got the 3 massive cracks all taped up with the 3 feet wide fiber fuse. We got that wavy repair all skimmed out first coat. We're going to do 2 more coats on everything and then it will be ready for sanding tomorrow.